How to become a top rated seller on eBay. To become a top rated seller on eBay, you must have an active account for at least 90 days, achieve 100 or more transactions within or with $1,000 in a sale to US buyer in the past 12 months, and maintain an excellent performance metric as well. So basically, the key performance indicator to meet or indicates to meet the included a transaction defeat rate of 0.5%, and a case closes without a seller's resolution as well. So basically, the steps or the sales account requirement are active account, the sales volume, and the compliance as well. Next, you could also perform the metric. You want to make sure that the transaction defeat rate is no more than 0.5%, and a case closed without a seller resolution no more than 0.3%, and a late shipment rate no more than 3%, and a tracking upload at least 95% of a transaction must have a track uploaded within your handling times and validated by the carrier as well. So this way you could become a top rated seller on eBay. Now there are also other criteria that can go list on. You could go and explore these options. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.